messages transmitted by request of the Kane County Emergency Management Agency and the Batavia Police Department. At 1:01 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a truck carrying hazardous materials turned over on Route 25 1/2 miles south of Batavia. A gas leak occurred from the truck, causing an explosion and a chemical fire, which is now resulting in toxic materials being spread into the air. At this time, a shelter-in-place order is now in effect for all areas within 1 mile of the crash. This order includes the city of Batavia. A shelter-in-place order requires you to shelter in your current location. All other residents within 5 miles of the crash must evacuate. Shelters are currently being staged in nearby locations. State Route 25 is closed within a 1 mile radius of the crash. Alternate routes available for evacuation include State Route 10 west of Batavia and State Route 15 near the city of North Aurora. Interstate 88 is also available. Please stay tuned to local media outlets for more details on this situation.